In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro in just 5 minutes. Miro is a versatile online collaborative tool, perfect for brainstorming sessions, team meetings, or project planning. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to Miro's website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, it's easy to set one up. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Miro dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, as it's your starting point for creating and managing your boards. On the dashboard, locate the New Board button. Clicking this will open up a fresh canvas for you to work on. You have the option to give your new board a name, which can be handy for organization purposes, although it's not mandatory. This step can help keep your projects neatly sorted, especially if you're working on multiple boards. When you open a new board, you'll have the choice to start with a blank canvas or select from a range of templates. Templates are particularly useful if you need a little inspiration or want a structured starting point for your work. If you prefer to unleash your creativity from scratch, go ahead and choose the blank canvas option. Now, let's explore the left toolbar, your primary tool set for adding items to your board. Here, you can incorporate a variety of elements such as text, shapes, images, or even sticky notes. This diverse selection allows you to customize your board to suit your needs and paint a clearer picture of your ideas. Once you're happy with your board, you might want to collaborate with others. Look towards the top right and click on Share. This powerful feature lets you invite team members via email or generate a board link that you can distribute to others, facilitating seamless collaboration. As you develop your board, consider using frames to organize your content. Frames work like containers to group related elements together, providing structure and making your board more navigable, especially during presentations. For interaction and feedback, the comments feature is very helpful. You can add comments anywhere on the board to ask questions, give feedback, or make notes, encouraging open communication among collaborators. Once your project is complete, you'll want to save your work. Just click on Export to do so. Miro offers several formats for download, including PDF, image, or CSV, allowing you to choose the most suitable format for your needs. Finally, the Present option is your best friend when it's time to showcase your board to others. Clicking Present transforms your board into a presentation mode, enabling you to guide your audience through your content in a structured, engaging way. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough of using Miro. By mastering these straightforward steps, you'll be collaborating and organizing your ideas in no time. Let's get started on bringing your ideas to life with Miro.